Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you change the colors in MATLAB. So this background color that you have, this white color over here, you can change all of these things. The colors for comments, the colors for the text, these colors. So you can change all of these by yourself. So I'm going to show you how you can do those things. So for that, what you have to do is go in the home tab. So I guess initially you might be in the editor tab where you can run the program and so on. So go to the home tab. Over here there is this option preferences. Click on that. So this has a lot of things that you can check. You can change the font size as well. So over here you can change the font size. You can make it bold, italic, etc. You can how which font uh, do you want. You can select the font over here. Okay, so there is a lot of things that you can see that can help you. So the thing that we are going to talk today is about colors. So go to colors, and over here you can just uncheck this thing so that you can now use any color that you want. So it says for background it is white color, so you can change this by yourself. So if you are a dark mode lover, then you can have your background as black. So you can, if you feel this is too dark, you can always choose some other color. You can choose a dark blue color and so on. So yeah, so that depends on you. In fact, you can also go to more colors and choose this whole palette of colors that you have, different HSV, whatever. You can choose any colors that you want over here. So that's about the background. You can also change the text. So now since the background is dark, you will want the text to be white. You can change the text for keywords. So the keywords are like the for and the end over here. So for that also you can change, so like this, right? So now you can do this manually if you want. So but it is quite difficult. So to set each color so that it looks nice, this is a little difficult. So this is the brute force method. Also you can change some other things, how you highlight the text. So the highlight also can be changed over here. So this is the color for highlight. The highlight for a section, that is also that you can change. So you can see, you can go through these options that are over here, and you can do that. But then if you are like a person like me, where I'm too lazy to set all of these myself, so for that what you can do then is, you can go to this website. I mean, this I'll post this link in the description below. So you can go over here and click on this button, so download from GitHub. So I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to click over here. But when you click this, you'll see a zip file that is downloaded. So this is the zip file that you can that you download over here. Just extract the zip file and you get this thing over here. Okay, so now this particular program is very important to change the color layout and so on. So what I'll do is I'll show you how now what to do after you download these things. So after you download that, you need to run this program, basically this program over here. So there are two methods. One, you can just simply drag this thing over here and press on the run button. So that's the simple. So in case you are not finding the run button, go to the editor. So the run button is in the editor and you can run the program. It asks you to change the folder or add to path, so you can add to path or something. Okay, over here, click over here. There are the different schemes that they provide. So these are the different schemes that they have made. So you can use any of these. So my personal favorite is Cobalt. So yeah, I like this one. So here you can see the colors have changed. The highlight is this. So this is something that they have done. This is inbuilt. So this is quite nice. I mean, if you like it. So there are many other things also. So if you just run this again, you can see a wide variety of the different things that they have. So dark mate is also there. So this is dark mate. So you can just go through the different color schemes that they have and pick whatever you like. So this was one method. I mean, just putting this dragging the code to MATLAB and running it whenever you want. Or else one simple method is to add path. So just copy the folder where this particular thing lies. So just copy this thing, okay, and put this in the set path. So there's this set path over here when you go in home, so below preferences, and over here you can just add folder with subfolders and paste the path over here. Okay, so now this is the place where the program is. So just select this folder and say save. Okay, now the magic of this is, now whenever you type schemer, oh, I'm sorry, there's a spelling mistake. Yeah, I'm very bad with spellings. So whenever you type this spelling schemer import, you just press enter, you will find you will run the program. So now here you'll have to go to the folder where you have saved the, I mean, just unzipped the GitHub folder, and there you'll see these schemes and you can change as and when you want. So this is my personal favorite. Yeah, so this is something that you can do to change the layout of the MATLAB. So that's what I wanted to tell you in this video. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.